Guys, it's me Sonia from OTG Naturals, and today I'm going to be showing you the results of my rice water challenge. So at the front part of my hair, it's not really easy to see that the growth that much, but at least we can start with this. I don't know if you can see this clearly. And then, but at the back, I have lots of growth. Let me just show you. So this is kind of the undergrowth that I had during this rice water challenge, because I equally sprayed the back of my hair. So I don't know if you can see it clearly, but here you go. So this is like the huge growth that happened at the back of this hair. It's really amazing. And from the front part, you can see this here and here and here, and it's quite much more to see, but it kind of darkened my hair anyway, so I'm gonna be taking this out today, and I'm going to be washing my hair just to get to do something else, and at the same time I'm going to leave my hair open for the week or for the month of February. And so one of the things I noticed regarding this rice water challenge was that at the beginning it seemed like my hair was going to break, or my hair was breaking because I was like having little, but I felt it has nothing to do with the rice water. It has to do with my hair being dry earlier on before, because when I did the protective style, I haven't washed my hair, so I just started with the challenge, spray my hair every day for 14 days, and yeah, I definitely saw the growth, and it's something that I'm going to maybe constantly do, like once a month or once in 2 months, just to regulate the protein intake in my hair, and also to help my hair grow to an extent. So I enjoyed this challenge. It's really good.
Winter comes for us all. Oh, how nature acquaints us with the nature of patience. Like a seed in the snow, I've been buried to grow. For your promise is loyal, from sea to sequoia. How do I make you laugh?